Good morning, Grade for Hockey. It's me again, Teacher Donna, and welcome to our health class. For today's discussion, we're going to discuss about caffeine. So let's know what is caffeine. So caffeine is a drug that is naturally produced in the leaves and seeds of many plants. It can also be produced artificially and added to a certain foods. So it classified as a drug because it can stimulate the central nervous system. So it gives mist or people temporary increased energy and elevates the mood. So again, a caffeine, it is a natural chemical with stimulant effects. So what is stimulant, teacher? A stimulant is a class of drugs that speed up messages traveling between the brain and body, and they can make a person feel more awake, alert, confident, or energetic. So it is usually found in the tea, coffee, chocolate, soft drinks, energy drinks, pain relievers, and other over-the-counter medications. So, let's know the benefits and dangers of caffeine. So, let's have first the benefits. The first one is benefit people who are at risk for liver disease. So, there's a study, nearly thousands of people finds that drinking coffee significantly lowers the risk of developing liver disease. Second, increase muscle strength. So it can enhance our muscle endurance. So caffeine increases metabolism by breaking down the fat. So caffeine stimulates the nervous system, which sends directs to the signals to the fat cells, telling them to break down fat. Number 4, it can increase pain relief medication effects. So caffeine is added to some painkillers such as paracetamol and ibuprofen. Ibuprofen. 5, it can increase mental alerts. So caffeine can improve mood and help people feel more productive. The last one of the benefit of caffeine, it can reduce asthma symptoms. So caffeine also helps lower respiratory muscle and fatigue and can temporarily improve lung function. So if we have benefits, then we do have a danger. So there are too much drinking of caffeine or too much intake of caffeine can cause some serious problems, include this following: restlessness. So it makes you feel tired while at the same time you're triggering the release of adrenaline that's known to increase energy. So if we talk about adrenaline, it is the source of the fight or flight response, no? And it will increase your heart rate, your blood pressure, and it can include the expanding of your air passage of your lungs, and it can enlarge your pupil in the eye. The next one is irritability. So it can trigger the release of adrenaline. So the same with the restlessness. The next one is anxiety. It can make your anxiety worse. It can even trigger an anxiety attack if you will drink too much or if you will do intake too much of caffeine. And stomach ache, we all know that one. It's not okay because it can break down your fat, and also that is why you have a problem of stomach ache. Headache, severe headaches. Next one is high blood pressure, HB. When you drink too much coffee, then you said HB ka day. That is HB, high blood pressure. It will increase your high blood pressure. The next one is sleeplessness because you drink coffee man and you cannot sleep man early if you will drink coffee. and fast heartbeat, seizures or convulsions, and also the vomiting. We talk about vomiting. So when you drink on an empty stomach, if you will drink coffee, then if you drink coffee and your stomach is empty, then it can lead you to a feel bit of squeezy, then you will vomit. So that's all for the benefits and dangers of a caffeine, and we all know now what is caffeine, right? So in your activity in health 4.1, this would be your health 4.1 activity. You will write this one. It could be your paper, it could be your red notebook, as long as you will answer this one and you will pass this one in your LMS account. Okay, so thank you for listening, Teacher Donna. I hope you learned something from our lesson for today. See you in our next class, and goodbye.